We're at the JH Fuel water treatment plant in Jackson, Mississippi. We're here replacing the old timber bridge, which had reached the end of its service life, with a durable steel bridge. The purpose of this bridge was to address crumbling infrastructure. The old bridge was an 80-year-old timber bridge that had piles that were deteriorated, and it posed a safety hazard for the city workers and any public that may use the bridge.
We replaced it with a new prefabricated pedestrian bridge and lengthened the bridge by approximately 100 feet. That way it provides safe access for all the workers to get down to the pump station during high water events.
I believe our firm was chosen based on our past experience with our client doing some smaller bridges. This is the largest bridge we've done for our client here.
It was necessary to replace the bridge. The previous bridge that was here was a timber structure that was very deficient in its structural capacity. It was nearing a state of structural integrity that was not sufficient, and it was becoming a danger for the workers to access the pump station. So the new bridge that went in place is obviously adequately designed and will design for many years to come, to last many years to come.
This bridge cost about $2 million, and so we helped them secure the funding for it through the SOF loan program. We also designed the bridge, did the geotech investigation through our firm. We also did the structural engineering design, and we helped bid it out.
Our experience with Cornerstone Engineering on this project was very excellent. The professionalism that they showed could not have been asked for any more. Everything was designed properly and was inspected as you would expect it to be. And when we did have challenges on the project, Cornerstone was very accessible and very attentive to the needs to get any issues resolved immediately and in a very timely manner.
Well, the core values of Cornerstone is quality service, responsiveness, and integrity. And so we want to bring that to the table where we go. We tell our potential clients and current clients we strive to achieve those core values and make sure we exercise that with all of our team members, our employees. They understand those key values, and that's what we bring to the table: integrity, quality service, and responsiveness for our clients. We looked at different types of bridge. We looked at an all concrete bridge for the replacement here. We looked at a all steel bridge, and in order to get the goals and objectives met of the city to have a unique bridge that would also have a long life, we selected a steel bridge. This steel bridge typically should have a life between 60 to 100 years, depending on the maintenance that's done periodically. And so we're looking for a long life out of this bridge, and we're committed to assist the city every step of the way with preventative maintenance, whatever may need to be done to make sure this bridge has a long life. If your community, your town, your city has bridge problems, we ask that you consider Cornerstone Engineering for your next bridge project. We will look forward to bringing solutions to your bridging problems.